4 techniques of body language to make him obsessed with you. Body language is a potent tool in the dating world, and when used effectively, it can work wonders for you. It is one of the quickest ways to attract the man of your dreams and make him value you even more. After all, the first impression you create is crucial, isn't it? Now, let's explore a few tricks to master the power of body language and make him weak at the knees. 1. Break the touch barrier. Breaking the touch barrier is a crucial step in making any man obsessed with you because it grabs his attention. One perfect way to do this is by starting a conversation with something like, "Oh my God, you won't believe what happened to me," and simultaneously placing your hand on his knee. Hold it there for 2 to 3 seconds and then continue the conversation as if nothing happened. This simple yet effective trick will break the barrier between the two of you and make him all flustered. 2. Use the power of eye contact. Mastering eye contact is another essential aspect of body language. Before you smile, make sure you lock eyes with him for a few seconds. Staring at the object of your affection before breaking into your signature smile shows that you're genuinely interested in him. And remember, never be the first to break eye contact. It applies to cats too. Try giving him siren eyes mid-conversation. This will show how confident you are in maintaining eye contact and may cause him to stumble on his words, indicating that he likes you back. Also, squinting your eyes when he talks to you gives the impression that you're fully focused on him. 3. Call him by his name. Using his name is a powerful yet often overlooked technique. Men adore hearing their names from a pretty lady as it is flattering and creates a sense of importance. It leaves a lasting impression, and he will likely think about you long after the date. This personal touch can go a long way in making him like you even more. However, remember not to overdo it, or you might come across as creepy. Just be cool and use his name sparingly and naturally. 4. Wait a second before you respond. If you want to make your special someone fall head over heels in love with you, try adding a few seconds of silence before you respond. Yes, that's right. Allowing a brief pause before giving your response can make a significant difference in how he perceives you. It creates a sense of anticipation, making him feel like he's on the edge of his seat. This shows thoughtfulness and consideration, and it gives you a chance to craft a meaningful reply that makes him feel appreciated and respected. Additionally, waiting a few seconds before responding can build anticipation, tension, and excitement on your first date or in your relationship. In conclusion, mastering the art of body language can make him utterly obsessed with you if used correctly. From subtle touches and glances to more significant displays of affection, the right body language can help you create an irresistible chemistry that keeps him intrigued and wanting more. Don't hesitate to show him your true feelings and use body language to your advantage. Not only will he be captivated, but you'll also benefit from the attention and closeness you'll receive. Now go out there and win your man. Thanks for watching video. Like, share and subscribe to watch for more.